this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment.
I'm just putting some milk in our overflow fridge that we have in the garage. Tell me guys, do you guys buy a lot of milk? I always joke that it'd be cheaper if we just went ahead and owned a cow. We go through so much milk as a family of 3. It's incredible. And 2 out of 3 of us are lactose intolerant, so the third person just kind of deals with it. But milk can get pricey, so thank God for Aldi's. So I want to take a minute before I end this video to share this beautiful wreath I found at HomeGoods. So those of you who watched my Christmas tea haul, you'll remember that I said I saw a wreath that I found was just too expensive for what it was. It looked like a crown. There it is. It's absolutely stunning. It was only $19.99 and I just thought it was beautiful. So happy I ended up finding this one and I didn't get the one at Christmas Tree Shop. HomeGoods does have beautiful things. I think I'll step in there a little more often if I can find time to hit it up early. But yeah, this would be a really nice addition to Halloween. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.